The Stockholm Programme is part of creating a common legal and judicial system across the European Union. The document talks about, quote, making people's lives easier, a Europe of law and justice, unquote. Let me tell you what your common legal system has done for the life of one person. Andrew Symeou, a 20-year-old London man, was extradited to Greece this summer on a manslaughter charge. He now languishes in a Greek prison awaiting trial. The evidence against him would not stand up for 5 minutes if examined by a British court. The identification evidence is contradictory. Witness statements have all the signs of having been written by the police. 2 witnesses claim they were beaten and mistreated and forced to sign statements which they later immediately withdrew. The appeal court in London knew very well there was no real evidence against Mr Symeou, but they were forced to extradite him because under the European arrest warrant they had no power to stop it. The British courts cannot now protect British citizens from unjust arrest and imprisonment by foreign courts. We had a perfectly good area of freedom, security and justice in Britain before we joined the European Union. The European Union is destroying the legal protections that we enjoyed in England for centuries. In the process, it will destroy people's lives. The Stockholm Programme may be about law, but it isn't about justice. If the British people want to preserve their liberties, then they have to leave the European Union.